Hi guys! Chocolate in Rwanda is often pretty disappointing. Shops don't have functioning cold chains. Deliveries get held up at the port in Dar. Everything melts, reforms, and melts again several times before it gets to the shelf. Most annoyingly, you don't know if the chocolate you've bought is any good until you get it home and open it. Last week, I bought this bar of everyday chocolate, and it was pretty inedible. Faced with two choices, throw it away or get inventive, I decided to see if it would taste better melted. As I had a bunch of overripe bananas, I decided to put it in banana bread. I peeled 6 local bananas. In the UK, you call these ladyfinger bananas. Here, they're just normal bananas, and they're really flavourful, much nicer than the large ones. Mash those up. I'm adding some cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, a small amount of cloves, and a dash of salt. Now a generous helping of brown sugar, and give that a really good stir. Next up, 2 eggs. Make sure they're well incorporated. Melt a decent glob of butter. I'm using Massacre salted butter, roughly around 2 tablespoons. Let that cool for a second before you put it in the mix, otherwise it'll scramble the eggs. Right, let's get the chocolate chopped. Some nice big chunks. And into the bowl it goes. Oops, the camera overheated and the light went off. Let me get my other phone. Give everything a really good stir. Add a dash of baking powder to help it rise. And finish up with a generous helping of flour. I'm just using Azam all-purpose for this. I'll keep adding it until the batter takes on a bread-like, doughy quality. This looks about right. Grease the tin with a little butter and scrape the batter in. I am absolutely not neat at all. I just want banana bread. I don't care how it looks. Preheat the oven and in it goes. And my camera lights died again, but that lets you see the pretty flame. Okay, I didn't time this, I just went by smell. I reduced the flame halfway through and let it cook more slowly. The problem with a bucket oven is that it's not fan assisted, so if the heat's too high, the bottom will burn before the top cooks. Luckily, this came out just right. I turned the heat off and let it cool down in the oven. Thankfully, the butter did its job and it came out of the tin perfectly. It smells so good. I didn't have the patience to let it cool. Look at the steam coming out of it. It looks pretty good. The chocolate has melted, but there are still some solid lumps. Ooh, this looks good. Melted chocolate, chocolate chips. Let's try it. Oh yes, that is really, really good. Sticky banana and chocolate. An absolutely excellent use of crap chocolate. Let me know your favourite recipes for turning bad chocolate into good eating. And if you appreciate the video and it's given you some culinary inspiration, kindly consider a like and subscribe.